It's Barbara and Jeremiah here again with another fun holiday treat that you can do at home with your little ones. So today, Jeremiah and I are going to be making some hot cocoa bombs. How exciting is this? We are going to share the handle of the amazing baker that provided us today with this amazing hot cocoa bombs. Now, if you don't know, hot cocoa bombs are a new and revamped version of hot chocolate. And once you immerse these hot cocoa bombs in hot milk, it has a wonderful surprise. So we're gonna find out what the surprise is today. Follow along. Okay, Jeremiah, place your hot cocoa bomb ornament in the cup. Excellent, okay? So first things first, you want to ensure that an adult is on site because you are dealing with hot milk, okay? It's hot, yes, it's hot. Good job, Jeremiah. So we're gonna open up the ornament. Now what I am going to do is, again, you need an adult at this part, is I'm gonna pour some of the milk onto the cocoa. Jeremiah, look! This is so cool. So the milk is making the chocolate dissolve, and we're gonna find out what our wonderful surprise is. I'm going to do about half a cup for us each, okay? And then Jeremiah, what you're going to do is take your spoon out of your mouth, and we're gonna stir, stir. Oh, look, marshmallows! This is so cool. Okay, Jeremiah, do you help stirring? Good job, keep stirring. Keep stirring, Jeremiah. Look, let me help you. Stir, 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 stir. And look, what do we see here? Jeremiah, what is this called? What is this called? Wow, marshmallows. Okay, excellent. These are so cool. Again, these are called hot cocoa bombs, and they have marshmallows and hot chocolate. Okay, so now it's time for us to taste. Well, Mommy's gonna taste it first to ensure. This is so yummy! Jeremiah, hold it. We'll take this. Take your spoon. Marshmallows. Mommy's gonna blow it for baby. Blow it. Help Mommy blow. Mommy's gonna check it first. Now taste it and see. Yes, this is it. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, so Mommy's gonna taste it now. This is amazing. And yummy! It's hot? Okay, let go, hold on. Okay, we're done with the spoon. We're gonna place the spoon over here. Okay, so let's blow 1, 2, 3. So I waited about 10 minutes before giving this to Jeremiah, so it's at a really good warm temperature. And, yummy! Milk. Yummy. Okay, you're gonna hold your cup. Mommy's gonna hold her cup, and we're gonna do it together. 1, 2, 3. Yummy. How does it taste? Yummy. Okay, and let's do cheers. Good job. Let's do cheers. 1, 2. So hold the cup. 1, 2, 3. Extremely easy to make. I'm going to go ahead and share the handle of the amazing baker that provided us with these amazing hot cocoa bombs. Okay, I say Merry Christmas. 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas. Actually, no, it's not Merry Christmas yet. Okay, so just say happy. What should I say at the end? Okay, Jeremiah. 1, 2, 3. Happy holiday.
Happy holiday.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you next time.